How to create an ebook in Canva. So if you want to create an ebook in Canva, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, open up your browser, go with canva.com, and once you're here, make sure that you've signed in. Now go with search. Under search, you need to search for ebook templates. After searching, you'll have all of the templates right here, but many of the templates might require pro version. So in order to select the free one, you can go with category, or you may also have filter option. You can go with filter and then filter with the free version. Once you've done, then you can just simply select your template. For example, I'll go with this one. I go with customize this template, which is on the right side. And once you have these templates, you can customize these templates. So if you want to go with another topic, then you can just simply click on the image, just remove the image, press backspace, and the image will be deleted. Now you can go with upload, and then you can add your self image. So for example, I want to add this one, adjust it, drag and drop to the image, and the image has been added. In the same way, you can remove this one also and then add another image that you would like, and go with the text. You can remove the text, add another text or another content, and in this way you'll be able to edit these templates, scroll down and then go with other images or other text right here, and in this way you can create an ebook. Once you've created or once you've edited all of these, you can also add some pages if you want to, or once you're done, you can go with share, which is on the top right, and download your. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.